let's take a quick look at the Oakley 9262 sunglasses. I picked these up yesterday at the local mall where they were on a discount. I picked these up for about, I think I paid about $98 after taxes here in California. This is the box. Let me get myself out of the focus and show you. Description right here. These are the 9262 in bronze colorway with the matte black frame. I wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you what we get for $100. These were on a discount, by the way. I think they were at heavily discounted price, so I think I got a good deal on this. Get some paperwork, which is useless. What is really sad is the fact that you really don't get a case. Oakley does not provide a case with this. You just get this soft bag, which I am not so sure will take care of these glasses or protect them if I was to just toss them into my backpack. I'd probably get a case for this, a hard case for this. All right, to take this out of the box and the bag, this is what they look like. In terms of specs, this is a matte black frame, and it is what Oakley likes to call as O-matter, and the glass color is bronze. I deliberately took the lighter color because I want to use it in at a time of the day when it's not very bright outside. I can still drive around and see clearly. I didn't want a very dark pair of glasses. I have a bunch of those, but they really don't help. Other than that, I guess just very quick specs. These glasses are quite wide. The width on the glass is about 57 millimeters, I believe, and the nose bridge is about 18, while the temple length is about 144. And that's about it. There is no unobtainium, etc. The other kind of like high quality materials which you would get, say, in a $200-300 pair of glasses. This is fairly simple. These are, however, polarized. I've tested them out yesterday. It was quite bright outside, and then I think I was wearing them till like 6 in the evening. They were fine. I drove around and I didn't have any problems. Let me put these on my face for reference. This is how it looks. I think they fit well. They wrap around your head pretty well, and they don't fall off. They don't get loose. They stay in place. And yeah, the glass color is pretty sick. I quite like these compared to, say, my Ray-Ban, which is also polarized but kind of dark. I'd prefer this lighter color. What do you think? What do you think of these? Yeah. There you go. I think they fit really well all the way around. Yeah. So there you go. The Oakley 9262 in bronze colorway. I think they look great for the price. For $100, they're a steal.